Hi, today I'm going to show you how to insert tick or check mark in LibreOffice Writer. So if you would like to add this symbol to document, you need to go to the left upper corner and you need to click on Insert tab. After that, we need to move our cursor down and we need to select here Special Character. Now Special Characters window will be successfully displayed here. So here we need to click on font list to select a font that we want to use. I recommend you to scroll down and select here Wingdings. It is very important to do it because if you will select it, you will find here a list with special characters, and the one from the icons is checkmark or tick. We need to click on it and then you can see here preview of this icon. So if you would like to insert it, you need to click on this one button. So I click on it. And how you see, insert icon has been successfully added here. Of course, you can increase this icon if you will select it and you will change the size of font. For example, I will set here 40. The checkmark size will be successfully increased. So it's all for today. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.